In this video, we will discuss changing the chair icon's upholstery color on a DS5 touchscreen. Begin by selecting the Settings menu. Then select System Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the menu. Then select Chair Upholstery Color. Choose your desired upholstery color. Your changes are automatically saved. Press the Home button to exit to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.